So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can apply for McKinsey Forward Program. So you just have to search for McKinsey Forward Program in Google. Click on this, apply now. Now select English. Now here you have to select your country. I'm from India, so there is India. Now you see this, the last date of this program is 29th September, so make sure to apply this before this date. Now here you have to fill your education level, so I will go with this bachelor's degree. According to you, you can choose it. No, click on this next. Here you have to fill your personal email address. Next. Now click on this next. Now here you have to fill your date of birth, nationality, and this employment status. Now here you have to fill all these details. Now here you will get a consent form. Just tick on this thing. Next. Now McKinsey team will review your application, and if they like it, then they will approve it and you will get it in your mail. So this is how you can apply in this McKinsey Forward program. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.